Alright, today is all about preventative maintenance. Let me smart in the background doing this thing. Let me use the shop today to try to get this thing right here in order. We're gonna see. It's a road. We're gonna see. This is what we're working with. Preventative maintenance. Pros and cons of making sure everything is tight, everything is right. Yeah, preventative maintenance, man. Lil Ugly 101. Header gaskets, everything looking good, tight on this side. No problems, no issues. A couple of small things here with the catch can, what you call that at the track, Vicky Curtis. A few things, just a few things. We'll get it right, we'll get it right, we'll get it right. We're gonna work on it. 12/14, August 6, 2023. That was a brake leak. Ended up being a wheel seal leak. We on the passenger side a little ugly. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to have to pull the axle. Try to silicone it, wipe it down, clean it up. Get it ready so she'll stop. Also, we found another problem here with this brake line. You see that kink? That ain't good. You ain't stopping nothing like that. That don't stop. So it's got to be adjusted. Everything got to be checked out. That's the way it goes. See what's smart over in the corner. You know he's working. He getting that game. So nice little guy, pretty guy. Left his payday in the truck. I don't know if it's gonna stay forever or not. It might melt away, but here's the cockpit, man. Looks a little messy right now, but we'll get it straightened out. Here's the cockpit. That's where it happens at. Parachute mount. 49. So getting there. I like these little wheels. These look pretty good spinning. Cool look too. I can't take credit for picking those out because I was looking to pick with some more wheels. But Chris over here, same hospital, man. Make it happen. See if this over here is free. See if we got this freedom over here with this one. That's a little tight. Getting there. Follow-up is you got it buttoned up. Had a few leaks. You got the brake line straightened out. Got the wheel seal leak straightened out. Sure. I guess you're ready to try it again. A few leaks. So, hey, Ray, that looks so like you. All you need is the teeth now. That's the genius behind the mask, right there. Good. Good now. Good now. You got the door fixed. You can open the door now and close it. Got the curve line straightened out. That was a plus. Proud of that. That was a cluster. We on, man. We on. Good. 24, you got to go, or you'll be left behind. And even trying to run.